Well, the genesis of Transpek can be traced back to late 60s when the Shroff family decided to set up a unit in Baroda. And the first product that we manufactured was acrylic sheets, which was transparent. And therefore, the company was named as Transpek Industry Limited. The Shroff family has always been known for its ethical practices and value-based management. Having started with manufacturing of acrylic sheets, the company slowly ventured into phosphorus-based chemicals and eventually settled down with zinc and sulfur-based chemicals. Our first product in the sulfoxylate area was sodium hydrosulfide before we started manufacturing sodium formaldehyde sulfoxylate and zinc formaldehyde sulfoxylate, which were import substitutes. In the year 2000, the sulfoxylate division of the company was facing tremendous challenges. The business was very bad. The global situation was bad. The company, people morale was very bad, and we needed to find some solution really to ensure that the morale of the people is lifted and the business of the company is in safe condition. After a lot of thinking and after a lot of brainstorming, we came to the conclusion that probably we need to find a partner having similar value system and complementary strengths. So it is with this background that company made a lot of effort to go around the world and finally saw that a company in Europe, namely Silox, is the company with whom we could probably make a joint venture. Silox was established company in Europe with roots in North America, well known for its strength in zinc and sulfur chemistry, dedicated to the causes of environment, health and safety. And finally, after wonderful association with them in terms of due diligence, etc., a joint venture was formed in the year 2001.
Once the new company, the Transpek Silox, was formed, the first challenge was to prove it ourselves, the industry and the new partners that we have in it ourselves to succeed and grow. So in this step, the first step was to develop a shared vision and then follow it up with planned actions and effective execution.
It was a lovely experience. We spent 2 days and emerged with a vision. It was a shared vision. We leveraged on the strength of Silox because we had strength in the sulfoxylate business. Silox had strength in zinc-based business. We could leverage on each other's strength.
The first lap of the journey of the new company involved turning around the business of the company, which I must say we were fortunate enough to do it in the first year itself.
The success of last 15 years, I think, is attributed to the sheer hard work of our dedicated and committed team. It's quite fascinating the way the team, in a way, individualized, personalized the shared vision and put it into practice. There is a great sense of ownership and commitment, which is absolutely rare. I won't say it's impossible, but rare to find in organizations, in corporates. And that's the greatest strength of this company.
The guiding principle and the aim was really to make sure that we don't survive, but we thrive. I'm very happy to say that Team TSIL really engaged itself on these principles, and we made sure that we come out brilliantly in this journey.
The success of any enterprise hinges firmly on the clarity of its vision, the sense of belongingness in its team, and execution of plans with a sense of ownership, as well as entrepreneurial approach. Effective execution is always a challenge, and Team Transpek Silox rose up to the challenge in executing the plans within the specified time and costs.
We Team Transpek Silox has always put customer above everything else. Hence, to improve our products and services has continued to be our focus area, to meet our customer expectations as well as to exceed it. We have utilized our in-house R&D and technology strength as well as Silox technical strength to improve our existing products and also to develop new products.
We have a strong track record of developing import substitutes at lab scale and then scaling it up to commercial levels. We consider it our privilege that our products and customized product variants find application in diverse end-use segments such as textile, paper and pulp, tire and rubber, polymer, paints and coatings, ceramic, and pharmaceuticals.
The challenges that we faced after forming joint venture did not dampen us at all. Believe me, we had flood, we had riots, we had global meltdown, we had competition, we had all kinds of odds that you can imagine in life. But I'm very proud to say that missionary zeal of Team TSIL did not leave any stone unturned.
Transpek Silox is today a leading producer of zinc and sulfur-based chemicals in the world, exporting to more than 55 countries across 5 continents. It is also the largest producer of sulfoxylates in the world. It commands the position of a leading producer of sodium hydrosulfite in Asia and is the only company in the world with dual processes of manufacture of this product. Transpek Silox is led by a passionate yet pragmatic management team, ably supported by a highly skilled and committed human capital that has shared long years of association with the company.
I am pleased to say that in spite of all the challenges, the company forged ahead on the path of growth, both in the domestic and the export markets.
It has recorded a top-line growth of 17% CAGR over the last 15 years. The company's continuous efforts towards all-round enhancement across all functions and departments have consistently improved its bottom line year after year.
I should also say that in this whole process, participation of Silox really helped us, especially in the area of EHS management.
સેફટીની પણ એટલી જ તકેદારી રાખે છે. સેફટીની તકેદારી રાખીને પણ આજે કંપનીમાં અમે નથી સાંભળ્યું કે ઘણા ટાઈમથી આ કંપનીમાં કોઈ એક્સિડન્ટ થયો હોય, કોઈ તકલીફ થઈ હોય તો સેફટીના હિસાબે.
Strong EHS practices have been ingrained into all our manufacturing processes. The 3.5 million accident-free operation hours stand testimony to the strong safety practices of Team Transpek Silox.
During our journey of progress, we have not forgotten to address the issue of Mother Earth and the society.
Transpek Silox has consistently created green belts around all its manufacturing locations. Over the years, it has developed a clear vision and CSR practices. It has nurtured and created a symbiotic ecosystem with the nearby communities, government organizations, NGOs, voluntary organizations, and company volunteers.
At the end of these 15 years of journey, which has been both challenging and rewarding, I'm very happy to say that Team Transpek Silox has made its mark in terms of customer-centric approach, in terms of focus on quality, in terms of focus on environment management, in terms of our social focus. All in all, the journey has been very nice, very rewarding and value-based, and I'm sure that future generation of Transpek Silox managers are going to take the company to another league, and they will indeed get into the second inning, as I would like to say, with much more solid and robust growth for the company.